Welcome back, dear students. In previous video, we discussed about some of the India's very famous heritage and cultural places. Let's discuss in this video about Fort of Agra. Fort of Agra is located on the banks of River Yamuna in Agra city of UP. This fort is made of red stones, hence it is also known as Red Fort of Agra. It was built by Akbar in 1565 AD. He also built Jahangir Palace for his son Jahangir in this fort. One can see the reflection of Hindu and Iranian style of architecture in Agra fort, whereas Bengal and Gujarat style of architecture in Jahangir Palace. Agra fort is 70 feet high and has circumference of 1.5 mile, 2.41 kilometer. The walls of fort are embedded with red stones so skillfully that none of the stones joined are visible. Jahangir's son Shah Jahan had spent the last days of his life in Agra fort. Dear students, now let's discuss about next cultural and heritage place of India, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is located on the bank of river Yamuna at Agra in UP. Taj Mahal is one of the seven wonders of the world. Also, it is one of the best tombs of the world. Mughal King Shah Jahan, grandson of Akbar, constructed it in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal and named it after her as Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is the tomb, Maqbara of Mumtaz Mahal. Shah Jahan started its construction in 1631 AD after his wife's death in 1630 AD. Mumtaz Mahal died in 1630 AD. It took 22 long years to complete the Taj Mahal. The construction got over in 1653 AD. Shah Jahan hired expert Iranian, Arabian, Turkish, and European sculptors and artisans for building it. Shah Jahan deeply wished to make Mumtaz Mahal's name immortal by building the Taj Mahal. He had finally achieved his wish. The Taj Mahal is spread in rectangular shape from north to south. The grave of Mumtaz lies at the center of Taj. The grave is surrounded by beautiful artistic octagonal fence carved out of stone. A beautiful saying is inscribed on one of its arches, which says, "Pious hearts are welcomed in the garden of paradise." The architecture of Taj glorifies the rich heritage of India and is the highest epitome of Mughal architecture. The grandeur of the Taj attracts thousands of people every year. Dear students, now let's discuss about very prominent and important heritage and cultural place of India, Red Fort, Delhi. Red Fort is located in Delhi. It was built by Shah Jahan in 1638 AD. This fort is made up of red stone and hence it is called Red Fort. In this fort, Shah Jahan founded the city called Shah Jahanabad on his name. The Red Fort includes Diwan-e-Am, Diwan-e-Khas, Rang Mahal, etc. Diwan-e-Khas is more magnificently decorated than other buildings. It is decorated with gold and silver and embedded with precious stones. The other important buildings in Red Fort which catches the attraction are Rang Mahal, Mirror Palace, Aina Mahal of Mumtaz Mahal, Lahori Gate, Meena Bazar, Mughal Garden, etc. Shah Jahan also got built a beautiful peacock throne for himself. However, Nadir Shah took it to Iran. Red Fort is one of the finest buildings among the Mughal architecture. Every year during national festivals, India hosts its national flag on Red Fort. Dear students, just go through the video and revise the topic. In next video, we will discuss some other prominent places of Indian cultural heritage. Thank you.